Good morning, student. Welcome to our English conversation class. Please prepare your workbook with you since we are going to use that after our English conversation practice. So, on our English conversation practice, we are going to talk about feelings. So, by preparing your workbook, please open your workbook on page 64 and listen to the next video. So, here we are. Since we talk about feelings, so we have a question here. How do you do? Okay. So, in a conversation, sometimes people will ask you, how do you do? Or you can say, you can answer about, I am doing my homework, or I am cooking right now, or you can say, I am I am drawing, or you can say, I do my household chores. So about cleaning the house and everything. But sometimes you also answer, how do you do? You can also say, you can also answer, it is also applicable. Answer, I am bored. So you can have that. I am bored. How do you do? I am bored. I am not doing anything. Okay? I am bored. I am not doing anything. Okay. Or we also have this common question, how are you? Okay. We have this common question, how are you? So, for example, it's you. So we have, for example, so in here you have a lot of answer. You can say I am okay. I am okay. I am fine. I am good. Or you can make I'm great. So if people will ask you, how are you? So if you are like this, then you can say I'm okay, I am fine, or I'm good, or you can say I'm great. So in English conversation, that is typical answer, you can say. Or you can say, let us try to erase it. Okay? How are you? For example, okay. So, for example, this one looks sick, right? So you can say, how are you? You can say, I'm not okay. I'm not okay. If you're not okay, if you're sick, how are you? I'm not okay. Or you can say, I don't feel good. How are you? I don't feel good. Or you can say, I feel bad. So, or you can just say in short, I'm sick. So, in here, there's just a common question, okay? So, in the first one question, how do you do? You can say, I'm bored. Or you can also answer, I'm not doing anything. Or you can just say both sentence, I am bored because I am not doing anything. And in here, you have, how are you? Then you can also answer, I'm not okay. Or you can say, I don't feel good. I am sick. Or you can say, I feel bad, I'm sick. Or you can just straightly say, I'm sick, I feel so bad. So in question how are you, it's just one question, but your answer can vary about different responses. It's up to you about how the way you feel. Or you can say, I'm very excited. Or you can say, how are you? I'm so excited. Or you can say, how are you? I'm very happy. Or you can say, I'm a bit confused. Okay? So when somebody asks you, how are you? And then their answer is confused. Confused means question mark. It means to say there's something that you want an answer. I'm confused. About what? Okay. So we are going to rephrase about it. Okay, this one we are going to rephrase our question about just a specific how are you. Okay. Example question. Common question, how are you? Okay. How are you? So you're confused. For example, like that, yeah? Okay. How are you? I'm confused. I'm confused. And then another question. About what? Okay, about what? You are confused about what? Okay. So how are you? I'm confused. About what? Then you can answer, why the dog bark? Why the dog bark? Or you can say, let us praise, why the dog bark and not talking? How are you? I'm confused. About what? About the dog. Why the dog bark and not talking? Or you can say, why Earth is the only planet that has life? Or you can also say, why the sun is burning? Why the sun is very bright? So you have, that's the meaning of confused. You have a lot of questions, or sometimes there are questions that there's already answer, but you're still not satisfied. So that's the meaning of confused. Okay, so now we are going to your workbook here. So in your workbook here, so we will have it here. So number 1, he is hungry because he's holding a food. How about this? Sleepy. She is sleepy. Yes, you can write down sleepy, or you can write down tired. She is tired. So we have number 3, drinking milk. Is that a he or a she? It's a she. Right? She is thirsty. Okay. How about number 4? Is that a he or a she? So it's a she. She is. So there's a ghost behind. Scared. Okay, so we have number 5. Number 5, crying. So is that a he or a she? Yes, she, right? She is sad. She is sad. And so in number 6, we have 2. He and also she. So both of them becomes they. So they are, how do they look like? They are happy or sad? So we can write down happy. They are happy. Okay, so in here, draw the pictures. Write your own sentences. So you can write your own sentences. For example, in here, he is angry. In here, she is sad. Here, they are happy. So we are going to draw a picture here. So you can also do that on your own, and then you are going to draw your own picture and also color them to make it better, to make it look better. Okay, that's all for today, students. Bye. Thank you for listening for work to do at home. Answer workbook page 64. That's all for today, student. Thank you. Goodbye.